Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to run classic versions of OS 7 on modern Macs. So I'm running 10.9, but it really doesn't matter. So go to the link in the description. All of these links will be in the description of this video. It's the mini vMac's website, so click on download a standard version. And if you have a Mac, you want to download this version right here. This is the most modern version of the emulator. It might take a second to download, so after it's done downloading, it's going to be a zipped file. Just after that is done, you're going to want to go to this website right here, scroll down and download vmac.rom. Just click on download right there, then it should start to download. Then go to this page right here. It has a bunch of operating systems. You're going to want to go to the first one, mini vmac boot v2.zip. Click on download right there. Then it should download it, or start to download. This one is System 7, I'm pretty sure. After it's done, you're going to want to move all of them to your desktop, or to a place where they all could be together. And then create a new folder, and name it literally whatever you want. And then you're going to want to move all of them. Well, you're going to want to extract this one first. Also, sorry for the fan noise in the background. Then you're going to have the mini vMac app. Just move that there. And then move the ROM into the folder. You should have all of these. So you're going to want to launch mini vMac. This is going to pop up. Just press on OK. You're going to hear the startup chime on the Mac, but then you're going to have this question mark. So you're going to want to move it to the side, and now your mini vMac boot disk, you're going to want to drag it into the emulator, and then the emulator will attempt to start up. If it starts up successfully, you're going to see the desktop, and it works. Applications run. So yeah guys, if this video helped you guys out, I recommend, please subscribe, and yeah guys.